Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take the handbrake off a Nissan Leaf. First, locate the electronic parking brake switch, which is typically found on your center console. Before you do anything, make sure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Once your foot is on the brake, simply push the parking brake switch down. You should hear a slight sound as the brake disengages, and the indicator light on your dashboard will turn off, confirming it's released and ready to drive. Sometimes, the electronic parking brake might not release as expected. If this happens, it's a good idea to consult your Nissan Leaf's owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Certain models may have a manual release lever, often located near the driver's seat or under the dashboard, which can be used in emergencies. If you've tried these steps and the brake still won't disengage, it's best to contact a qualified mechanic for assistance to avoid potential damage. For your safety and the longevity of your vehicle, always remember to engage the parking brake whenever you park, especially on an incline, to prevent unintended movement. It's crucial never to attempt to release the parking brake while your Nissan Leaf is in motion, as this could cause damage or loss of control. Regularly inspecting your parking brake system ensures it functions correctly, providing reliable stopping power and peace of mind during your drives. To quickly recap, releasing the handbrake on your Nissan Leaf is as simple as pressing the electronic parking brake switch down while your foot is on the brake pedal. Always remember to prioritize safety by using your parking brake correctly, especially when parking on hills. This ensures your vehicle remains secure. For more helpful tips and to stay refreshed on the go, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.